Like 64 to 67.
Bye, Warren!
You do have a soul, right there, Lauren? Make your wildest dreams come true. I got a hoodoo, I got a hoodoo, I got things on you.
Oh man, dead end. It looks like we got a dead end.
Well, if you give me some space. Yeah, okay.
It's a maze.
What you're saying, you're walking too slow.
Don't video me!
Oh wow. It's up.
Thank you!
I'm kind of lost.
I'm rolling myself on my mother's side.
Rats!
That's a dead end.
Wrong way!
Yeah, apparently. That is a dead end.
Okay, go that way.
Nope. Dead end.
Wrong way! Move it!
Come on, Jackson. Jackson?
You want in?
Jackson? Did I tell you to stay with us?
Because you opened the door! No touching horses! Didn't you read the rules? What you videoing?
Oh wow, that's good makeup.
What is makeup, buddy? Everyone keeps saying that tonight. What is that? Huh? What is it? You don't know? Oh no, I don't know. Oh no. I have a nice and clean one if you want to get in. Don't actually. Ooh. Very nice. Hey.
Oh man. I was so close. I was so close. I was so close.
Wrong way!
Apparently. It's so cool. I was just at the Exorcist house like Wednesday, so.
The Exorcist?
Yes. Universal.
You are insane, buddy.
What are you videoing for?
Everybody needs some vacation footage.
Where you from?
You're so rude.
I know.
You want to stay?
Apparently.
Bye-bye.
So it's like a corn maze with hearses. I like it. Oh. I got it.
You know when you're in a relationship